is Prabhakar, and it's been a very fruitful sessions and very knowledgeable sessions, and it was very helpful for me to focus on my trading.
So happy about this session. Thank you. And you, sir?
Kaushik, it's a very good session. Gained very good knowledge about share market, and also good lecturing from you. Very happy.
Thank you. Practice only makes you perfect. You, sir?
என்னோட பேர் பாலமுருகன். இதுக்கு முன்னாடி நான் ட்ரேட் பண்ணது வேற மாதிரி இருந்தது. இப்போ நான் ஒரு சார்ட்டை பார்க்கும்போது தட் இஸ் சம்திங் டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக பார்க்குறேன். ஸோ ப்ராப்ளி திஸ் வில் மேபி இது இந்த ஒர்க் ஷாப் வந்து என்னோட லைஃப் சேஞ்சிங் ஒர்க் ஷாப்பாக இருக்கும்னு நான் நினைக்கிறேன்.
And you, sir?
Hi, my name is Kunal, and I joined this Candlestick workshop, and I learned so many new things, and which will help me on the trading to earn the money. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
I am Syed here. I came to this training on behalf of my friend Harish, and I thoroughly enjoyed this excellent opportunity to learn from the mistake what I have been making. So I think from here I know like what were the errors I was making, so it will help me out.
Thank you. Thank you. You, sir?
My name is Harish. I've been trading from last 2 years, but I have taken the training, other trainings. But this Kishore's training is, concept was I'm very clear, and I'm very much confident about trading from tomorrow onwards. So thank you very much.
Thank you. And you?
Hi, myself Dilip. I was waiting for this workshop from last 6 months. So today I got an opportunity to attend this training. So thanks to Kishore sir. And more these tricks I have got from this session. So I will going to implement this.
So you learned about the hidden information.
Yes, hidden information
Thank you.
in market.
Okay. And you, sir?
I'm KISHORE. Today is Candletricks. Mr. KISHORE is very well. I'm very happy to join this program.
Thank you, sir. You learned a lot, right?
Hello, this is Chiranjeevi, and Kishore's training was awesome. Actually, I have learned many mistakes which I was doing, like my friend said. So I've learned many things. It was really good. It was a very good experience. I have learned many new things. I want to practice that. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Do practice more, sir.
Yeah.
And you?
Hi, I am Suhil. First of all, I would like to thank Kishore sir for such a wonderful session. This is like completely like an eye-opener. So I would like to thank you for Kishore sir for this wonderful training. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. And you, sir?
I am Krishna Raj. I really enjoyed the session. It was very good. And concepts were very simple, but it has given us a fair idea. So I think with practice we should be successful.
Okay.
Thank you.
So we used any indicator oscillator?
Yeah, earlier I used to use a lot of indicators.
Now, today,
No, nothing.
Only candles, right?
Only Candletricks, and concepts are very simple, and I think it's very clear.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
I'm Vinay. So lot of hidden information that we got today, and from tomorrow onwards we'll look the chart in totally different way. Thank you for that.
But practice only makes you perfect. Thank you very much, sir.